Hello viewers, how are you? This is Shoaib from Tricks Place. Today I am going to tell you how you can make free whiteboard animations without any software. In order to make whiteboard animations, just type JS Writing Tool in your Google search bar, or you may also click the link in the description below. This is user interface of application. Here you can read about the instructions to use this application in the help corner. This is your toolbar. From here you can use different tools to make your desired animation. First of all, I am going to add a large text. Here you can change text as I'm going to change it to my name. You can also change color, size and font style of text. After making all the changes, you just needed to update this. In order to play, press the play button from toolbox and press enter. Here you can also add as many pages as you want according to your requirement in your animation. Moreover, if you want to add graphics into your animation, just click on add graphics and select the icon of the font. After selecting the font icon, select the desired font from a huge collection of fonts. Again, selecting the font, you can double click on the font and you can change its color, size, texture, everything you want according to your requirement.